fasting. Bees, are you still looking for external solutions to internal problems? Let me tell you something. Wisdom is pain overcoming. So, if you want to get some wisdom, you gotta go through pain. You gotta feel the pain. You gotta go through adversity. You gotta go through hard times, and you cannot escape reality. You need to be and face reality. Face your problems. When you face your problems, when you face reality, you will find a solution. But a lot of people run away from the problem. They go and start drinking. They go and start smoking or whatever they do. They're escaping from reality. And then, if you're gonna gain some wisdom, you need to face your problems. Start running away from them, because wisdom is pain overcoming, and you cannot find external solutions to internal problems. Everything is in the inside. You gotta start from the inside out. When you face your internal world, you can do anything. You can manifest anything on the external world. But you gotta start from the inside. Your mind. You gotta control your mind. You gotta fight with yourself, your mind. The voice in your head that tell you that it's impossible. You cannot do that. You gotta fight with that. You gotta fight with that voice. You gotta show them who's the man. And then, when you control your internal world, you can control the external world. You can manifest anything, because self mastery is the key. I am the fasting beast.